Here we have a 2017 BMW 335D XDRIVE M Sport. Now with this vehicle you do get four 19-inch alloy wheels in excellent condition, as you can see just there. Finished in black, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. We've then got our black kidney grills. We've also got a full M Performance kit on this vehicle, as you can tell by the front splitter and side skirts just there. We've also got some more bits at the rear. Coming around, we've got our second alloy wheel with the M Sports caliper again just behind. M badging. We've got our colour-coded wing mirrors and door handles, black trim around the windows of the privacy glass for the rear passengers, shark fin antenna on top. We've got our third alloy wheel just there as well. As we come to the rear, we've got our spoiler lip. You can see it just there. We do then have both front and rear parking sensors with visual display inside. We've also got our dual exit exhaust, and as you can see the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now here's a look at that last alloy wheel. If we go onto the interior, we'll start at the back. Got this fantastic full Dakota leather interior. ISO fixed points within the seats. We've got the fold down armrest in the middle. We've got our temperature controls just in the middle there as well. We've then got our integrated speakers with electric windows. We've also got some more of this red leather that looks fantastic. Now going on to the front, we've got those very similar red Dakota leather seats which look absolutely fantastic. On the doors we've got our premium uprated Harman Kardon sound system. We've got electric power folding windows with wing mirrors with electric windows there as well. Inside we've got things like auto lights, cruise control, speed limiter, DAB radio, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity and plenty more features. More on this vehicle to come soon, but that's all from me today. The vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service, fresh MOT, and it's also HPI clear. Video test drive of this BMW 335D. Now the purpose of this video today is to show you that the car drives exactly how you would expect it to. For example, now I'm not having to wrestle with the steering wheel to keep the vehicle in a straight line. I'll also go through some of the vehicle's features and demonstrate that they work exactly how you would expect. Now starting off, we do have both speed limiter and cruise control on the steering wheel just here. To activate cruise control, I'll simply press the cruise button, push up on this trigger, and we're now cruising at our current speed. To deactivate this, I can simply press the cruise control button again or apply pressure to the brakes. We've then got our gear changes, so I'm currently in 6th gear, down to 5th, down to 4th, back to 5th, 6th and 7th. And as you can tell through those gear changes, they're completely seamless transitions, no jerky motions, no unwanted sounds, all working exactly how you would expect. Now we are just taking a left at the roundabout here as if you were here with us in the car today, and it's definitely worth mentioning the comfort of this vehicle. We've got these incredibly comfortable coral red Dakota leather seats which are also heated for the front passengers as well. We've then got our premium Harman Kardon sound system which ties in nicely with the infotainment screen, where we've got plenty of great features like DAB radio, Bluetooth connectivity, satellite navigation, the list goes on. Now here at RS Car Sales we have been doing deliveries for the last 3 to 4 years, as well as free next day nationwide deliveries for the last 1.5 years as well. So although the COVID-19 situation has had a huge impact on many businesses and still is doing to this day, we feel like we're quite well prepared, so we have adjusted our deliveries ever so slightly to make them contactless. And what this means is we'll sanitize our hands, we'll sanitize the keys, and we'll just do an extra thorough clean of the vehicle before delivering it to yourself, just to ensure your safety and our own. Now we are a 5-star dealership. If you look online, we've got over 300 5-star reviews on Google and Autotrader alone, as well as many others on other sites like Car Gurus. So if you go online, check out these reviews, you'll see that our customers really do reiterate the fact that we are a dealership that cares. We really do want you to have such a good buying experience from ourselves that you would recommend us to your friends, to your family, and even come back to us when the time is due for your next vehicle purchase. Now you can find us on social media as well. We are on both Instagram and Facebook, so make sure to follow us on those platforms to keep up to date with all the latest stock we get in and see what we get up to at RS Car Sales. Now I'm about to take a right turn into the industrial park while perform an emergency brake and also demonstrate the reverse works exactly how it should. So I'm turning in now, emergency brake in 3, 2, 1. There we go, very sharp on the brakes just there, straight into reverse, no problems, front and rear visual sensors on the screen there, all working exactly as you would expect. Now we are about to go over a speed bump as well, so listen out for any noises. There we go. As you can tell, throughout this whole journey, there's been no knocks, no bangs of any kind, which obviously you would be listening out for if you were here with us today. So this is usually where you'd be extremely happy with the vehicle. You'd want to come inside, see what kind of deal you could work out. Obviously, you're not here at the moment, but do feel free to get in touch. Appointments are welcome if you wish to come and view the vehicle in person. Part exchanges are also welcome. Just let us know the make, model and condition of the vehicle you're wishing to part exchange. And if there is anything we have missed, now the online photos, a video walk around or this test drive, again, feel free to get in touch and one of the team would be more than happy to help you out. That's all from me on this video. I hope you found it useful and we'll hopefully hear from you soon. Cheers.